My name is Christian Gill, chef and spiceologist with Spiceology.
What's up, everyone? My name's Tony Reed, and I'm the director of culinary at Spiceology.
Scoot over. You're too big in here.
You're too big in here.
Stop. Fries.
Fries. Let's get the obvious out of the way. The technique is submerging your taters in 350 to 365 degree hot oil and crisping a light golden brown.
Unless it's a sweet potato fry, then it's a dark rustic orange.
Spiceology has over 100 unique blends to dust your fries with, or flavor up your sauce by mixing in, but today we're going to share our top 5.
SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. There's a reason this is a top seller in food service and for home cooks and grillers. We've perfected the flavor formula. If you want the classic, simply seasoned fries that make everyone come back over and over, shake this moderately coarse blend on after they come out of the fryer. The cracked pepper packs a fragrant punch, the aromatic garlic powder sticks that juicy jab to make your mouth water, and the right amount of flaky salt leaves them in a carb TKO.
Vampire killer, precisely what you think it is. This garlicky Parmesan blend is an umami-packed powder that is super fine with heavy surface coating ability and lingering cheesy finish. Slaying appetites is what it does best. Truffle parm, all the fine dining finesse without the fine dining price point. Truffle hasn't trended out of the kitchen and won't be leaving anytime soon. An easy monetary upgrade on your menu, truffle parm leaves the rich, savory mouthfeel of Parmesan and truffle while again providing the generous coating capability from a finer blend. You can also add it to a mayo-based sauce for a refined French fry sauce.
Black and blue, unctuous and rich, this Cajun seasoning has real blue cheese powder. Blue cheese is the funk we want. Gotta have that funk fry sauce or straight out of the fryer, shake it off.
Alvin Kylan's fry season. This chef collab blend is the epitome of the street fry, whether at a carnival, accompanying a cheesesteak, or the classic dinner fry. A touch of sweet, a touch of heat, and that game changer, celery salt. The perfect shake on for the classic ketchup connoisseur, crushing a burger and their fries at the bowling alley. We could go on and on with blends for fries, but those are the heavy hitters that are never quitters.
If you have a semi-sweet fry like a sweet potato fry, a few bonus warming spices are always your friend. Za'atar, Ras el Hanout, harissa, apple cinnamon, coastal butter, all iconic, all easy shake-on experimentations.
When in doubt, fry it.
The blend?
The potato. Fries.
Go on, experiment with flavor.
Spiceology is the flavor solution.